Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Day 2 of Vlogmas, and today I am going to be recording a just me installing this old lace wig that I had. This is like a kink. First, I am going to be taking this concealer that I got from my beauty supply store, and I am just going to start by putting a little bit on the cap area. I'm not molding the cap. Why? Because I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. The way I install it, you won't see it anyway, so. You won't see it anyway, so I'm just gonna put it more so around the front area. Should I have used another color? Let me try this color. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. So I just use like this one and this one and this one. And I'm gonna just put it across like that, like that. It don't gotta be perfect. So then I am going to put some concealer on the inside of the lace and on the outside of the lace. I'm literally just getting a brush and going across just like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna put it on the outside of the lace too. Put it everywhere. And then I'm gonna put some on the outside, this part too as well. It's on the outside. I can't remember where I put my one mousse at, so I gotta use this freaking foam, this other foam that I got, that I use for my kids. I would recommend when doing baby hairs, use a mousse that has like no alcohol in it, because it'll lay better, but I'm gonna use what I got. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the melting spray from Wig Dealer, and I am going to spray that around my hairline. Oof. And then I'm gonna blow dry it on cool air. So we blow dried that until it got sticky. And now I am going to pull it on up. Place it to where I'm gonna place it. And while that is sitting in place, it ain't all the way dry yet. But while that is sitting in place, I'm gonna hurry up and take my band. Gotta hurry up and tie it tight. This is about to be a real simple install, y'all. I ain't doing too much. Probably not even gonna do a part. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So now I'm going to dry this on cool air. Okay, so now that we let that dry, we are going to take the band off. And we are going to take our handy dandy edge comb. But first I'm gonna take this comb and just comb down. And just comb down all the hairs. I'm gonna make some more baby hair, because the old baby hair that I had, I don't like it. So I'm gonna pull some new baby hair out. Yeah. I'm gonna pull some new baby hair out. And then we gonna go from there. Because the old baby hair I had was real baby hair. Not real baby hair, but baby hair. the strands was too small. I mean, too short. So yeah. So I'm gonna take my razor and I'm gonna like just chop it. I'm gonna chop it a little shorter because I be chopping them too long sometimes. Yeah. And I'm gonna do the same with the side pieces. Oh, and the reason I say it's best to use like a mousse or foam without alcohol, because foam like oh, this don't got alcohol. I thought it did, so this is what I'm using today. But I would usually use like so I'm gonna spray a little bit on my hand like this. I'm gonna use the comb part, not the brush part. I like to just lay it like that, so I know it got on there. See, I was supposed to use my flat iron to curl it, but it's all right. Dang it. That's what happens when you rush. Don't be like me and rush. Take your time. Oh, so right now I'm just combing the baby hairs. They could still come out cute though without the flat iron. You just gotta know how to, you know, swoop, swoopity swoop, swoopity swoop. And then with this little piece in the front, just swoop it like so, like that. I'm gonna put a little bit more, a little bit more. I like some of my baby hairs, okay? So we just gonna go just like that. Ah! Dang it. Okay, so we got the swoops, and then we gonna do the same with these side pieces. Now with these side pieces, you gotta be quick, because you don't want it lifting right there, and we didn't use glue. So you wanna be quick with it. So I'm just going just like that. Literally. Doing the same right here. Just swooping this part just a little bit. We ain't doing too much right here. We ain't doing too much. We are not doing too much. Swooping the side. Oh. Okay. All right, let me hurry up while I get baby hair happy, because I will. All right. So we got all that. Hold on, I want to fix this part again. I'm trying to see if I want a part or not. I don't know. But I'm gonna hurry up and put this on so this could dry real fast. Put it on just like this. Oh God. Too much hair, y'all. All right. So now we're gonna put the scarf on. Band, milk band. There's something in my eye. All right, now I'm just gonna brush the curls. I'm trying to see if how I want to wear this. do a part or not. God damn it. This piece over here just don't want to act right. Alright. So we got that. Now I am going to... Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put a part in it. I don't think I want to put a part in it. I'm going to put some more mousse on this part. And put the rest on the hair. It really don't matter. I'm going to comb it back real good. Comb it back real good. And then I'm going to pull this back so that can set in place. And I'm going to put some mousse on the hair so we can get them curls popping. Ooh, pretty. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side. And then I like to just shake. Hold on, I'll go like this. And then we gonna let it dry some. And then we shall return. Okay guys, so I am back and it is done drying. I didn't sit under the dryer. I used a blow dryer. I went like this. So that's why I look kind of wild, but that's okay. That is okay. This is the look. And we are going to comb out these baby hairs some. Oh, I'm mad. This one kind of. Oh, okay, there we go. So we're going to comb it out. Give it that soft look. There we go. Here we go. We're going to do the same with these side pieces. Give it that soft look. There we go. Why does this piece look? Okay. So, pull it down, tuck it right on under, and, hold on. Cut these little flyaways. And this completes the look, guys. This completes the look. That was so fast, simple, and quick. And it looks super natural. Super natural. I did not do a part. I didn't feel like doing a part. I always do a part, so I wanted to do something different. And I love, 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 love how it turned out. It looks super natural. I'm gonna cut this little piece. cut all those little pieces that's just in the way. So this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Look how natural it looks. Plucked to the guys. I gotta get some thumbnails. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Vlogmas Day 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.